Hello everyone, today we are going to solve example 7th of the chapter probability of class 10th. So let's start solving. The example 7 says there are 40 students in class 10th of a school. 40 students in total, of whom 25 are girls. तो girls कितनी है हमारे पास 25 और boys कितने हैं हमारे पास 15. ठीक है. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. She writes the name of each student on a separate card and the card being identical. Then she puts the card in a bag and stirs them thoroughly. She then draws one card from the bag. What is the probability that the name of the name written on the card is the name of a girl or name of a boy? तो हमारा probability का फॉर्मूला तो वही रहेगा favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. तो हम सोचते हैं गर्ल की प्रोबेबिलिटी आने का कितनी चांस है. तो फेवरेबल आउटकम कितने हैं 25, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स कितने हैं 40. तो 25 अपॉन 40 तो 5/8 आ जाएगा आपका. और प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बॉयज का क्या हो जाएगा. टोटल फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितने हैं 15. 15 बॉयज है तो 15 में से किसी का नाम आएगा. फेवरेबल आउट टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स कितने हैं 40. तो 3/8 इज योर आंसर. So this was example 7th. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you so much.